Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Parents Nest. Are you looking for a simple, fun, and educational activity to do with your child at home? Today, we're going to make learning exciting with a DIY color sorting game using household items. This activity helps children learn colors, improve focus, and develop hand-eye coordination, all while having fun. Let's get started. Materials needed for this activity: you will need 4 bowls or containers, colored paper or colored stickers, small household items such as bottle caps, buttons, blocks, or pom-poms. That's it. Simple materials you probably already have at home. Setting up the game. First, label each bowl with a different color. For example, red, blue, yellow, green. Next, mix all the colored items together in one container or on a table. Now your color sorting game is ready. How to play. Ask your child to pick up one item at a time and place it into the bowl that matches its color. Encourage them to say the color out loud as they sort. For older children, you can make it more challenging by setting a timer and seeing how quickly they can sort all the items. Learning benefits. This simple activity helps children recognize and identify colors, improve sorting and categorization skills, develop fine motor skills, build concentration and focus. Learning through play is one of the best ways for children to grow and develop. Challenge time. Let's see how many items can be sorted in 1 minute. Parents, join in and challenge your kids. Who can sort faster? Let us know your results in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this fun DIY educational activity. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Parents Nest, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our family-friendly activities and parenting tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone!